Welcome to my series, Melissa Explores Stock Buy Rules. I've been doing an experiment called my $100,000 stock experiment, sell rules, where I've been exploring my sell rules. And as I reviewed my past videos, I discovered that I need to set up some buy rules. This isn't an endorsement to purchase any stocks that I bought, nor is it an endorsement to purchase stocks in general. My focus on this series is on buy rules, finding the right stock at the right time. This is where I should be buying, at the intersection where the 10-day moves above the 25-day moving average. I've been buying my stocks above this point, and I've missed out on a lot of gains, I think. This is a Pet IQ chart, a 3-month chart from the beginning of July. I purchased this stock on July 9th at $27.45. You can see the dash green line indicating the price that I bought and the orange light box indicating the day that I purchased it. The blue circle down at the bottom is where I think I should be buying stocks, and I want to try and identify some other stocks that have a similar characteristics and purchase those. This is a 6-month chart from today, September 4th, 2018. You can see the green arrow is pointing to the day I purchased the stock, and the dash green line is the purchase price. The stock went very sideways for a long time, and then at that blue circle, that's when the stock started to take off. That double arrowed blue line is showing that the 10-day moving average is pulling away from that 25-day moving average, which means the price is going up faster in the 10 days than it is in the 25 days, which means the price is going to accelerate, and that is a good thing. You'll be making money. The purple bar over on the left-hand side is the section where if I would have identified the stock at an earlier point, then I could have made that much more gain. So I don't think I'm identifying my stocks early enough, and I'm going to try and do something about that. I want to identify stocks quickly and easily, and to do that, I'm going to use Investors Business Daily, the digital site, investors.com. They also have a paper subscription for this newspaper if you prefer. But I like reviewing this weekly paper and looking at two lists that they have in there, the IBD 50 and the Big Cap 20. And IBD will show you charts, small little charts of each of the stocks in these two lists. I'm going to call this group of stocks that I'm identifying today as ready to pop. I first reviewed each of the charts in the IBD 20, the Big Cap 20 and the IBD 50 to find the ones that look like they have the 10-day moving average recently crossing the 25-day moving average. I also like high relative strength rating, a high composite rating, and an accumulation distribution rating of an A or B, which indicates heavy to moderate buying. These three ratings are IBD proprietary ratings to help give investors a leg up on the busy work of reviewing all of the sales and return on investment, other things that people might want to look at. I just like looking at charts, and I rely on the IBD to rank the stocks that I'm looking at. My first pass came up with this list of stocks that crossed the 10-day moving average, was crossing above the 25-day moving average. There's about 13 stocks or so on this list. I further refined it by eliminating the stocks that have an RS rating, the relative strength rating, below a 90. That gave me 7 stocks. And then I took away the stocks that had the accumulation distribution rating lower than a B minus. That left me with 5 stocks on my buy list. I purchased 4 of them, And one of them I tried to purchase, but I put a price target that was too low, so it did not execute today. We'll see if it executes tomorrow. I want to review each of the charts, and one, I'll have a record of when I purchased it, so when we review my buys in a few weeks, we can see if in fact I made good decisions or not. This is the chart for Align, and this is a weekly chart. You can see that it has the accumulation distribution rating of a B minus, a composite rating of 99, and that relative strength of 95. That red arrow is also pointing to where MarketSmith is indicating that this is a buy zone with their, they have a chart markup that they help novices read charts. This is the daily chart. And again, I've highlighted the things similar on the other one, but you can see that point below that red arrow. The first yellow box there is showing that the green 10-day moving average is above the 25-day moving average for about 5 days or so. This is the chart from Fidelity, also of Align. It's a 3-month daily chart, and I've circled. I like these lines are thicker and brighter. They show up easier to see on the chart, but again, the green is above, has just crossed above that pink 25-day moving average. The next chart is for IDXX. Again, the weekly chart, also showing a pivot point according to MarketSmith. The daily chart for IDXX and the Fidelity chart, 3-month daily chart, showing you that cross point, which I think means to buy. This is for Netflix, the weekly chart, the daily Netflix chart, and the 3-month daily Netflix chart from Fidelity with that dash green line indicating where I purchased it today. This is for WWE, the weekly chart, WWE daily chart, and the WWE chart from Fidelity, a 3-month daily chart showing you the price that I purchased it at with the dash green line and that point where the 10-day crosses the 25-day moving average. This is the 5th stock I wanted to buy, but I wasn't able to buy it yet. Momo, the weekly chart, the daily chart for Momo, and this is the Fidelity chart showing you where the 10-day crosses the 25-day, and it does not have a dash green line because I have not purchased it yet. This is what a purchase order looks like for Momo. You enter the symbol that you want to buy, you put the action that you want to buy it, and the quantity. I use the order type limit, even though I might be putting the price at the current price. I don't want it to suddenly spike up and I'm paying a higher price than what I expect to. So a market will buy it at whatever the market is at the time the order executes, but a limit will only execute an order if that actual price or a price lower than that hits. So you can see at the bottom of the screen the current price of Momo is $47.24, and I have a limit of $46.55, and I put good to cancel. So tomorrow, if it hits $46.55 or below, it will execute at that price, the lower of the two. Thanks for watching. Check in next week to see how these stocks performed, or better yet, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get alerts when I post a new episode.